Hello everyone! We've recently started creating videos with the mission of providing free education in the simplest way possible. Our goal is to cover concepts thoroughly and make learning accessible to everyone. If you find our content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will motivate us to keep improving and help us grow to reach more learners like you. Thank you for your support.
Welcome to the land of logic, where patterns hold the key to unlocking ancient mysteries. Today, you're on a quest to help our curious hero Jackson solve the pattern puzzle. Are you ready to join Jackson on his journey to uncover the truth? Let's dive in. Jackson, a young adventurer, finds a scroll in the forest with strange symbols arranged in patterns. The scroll reads, "To reveal the treasure of knowledge, find the logic in the sequence. Each step builds upon the last."
What does this mean? Can you help me figure out what comes next in these patterns?
Can you figure out what comes next? Pause the video and think about it.
I see it now. The number of symbols increase by 2 in each step. So after 2, 4, and 6, the next step must have 8. Let's move forward. If you don't understand yet, let's dive deep into this sequence of patterns for better understanding. Here's our starting point. The first row has 2 stones. Let's see what happens in the next row. Now we see 4 stones. Interesting. Can you guess the pattern yet? Let's take a closer look. With 6 stones in the third row, it's clear something consistent is happening. But what's the rule? Let's investigate further. Look closely at the numbers. 2, 4, 6. Do you see it? The stones are increasing by 2 in each row. It's a simple pattern of multiples of 2. Following the pattern, the fourth pattern has 8 stones. The rule is simple. Add 2 to the total number of stones in the previous pattern. Now it's your turn. What do you think comes next? That's right, the fifth row has 10 stones. The sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Every row grows by adding 2 stones to the previous one. That means at each steps, 2 rocks are added. On the fourth steps, there are 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8 rocks. This is also 2 multiplied by 4. So how many stones fifth steps will have? The fifth steps have 2 multiplied by 5, which means total 10 rocks. Great job.
You did it. By cracking the stone pattern, you've unlocked the cave door. Great job, adventurer.
But this is just the beginning. What secrets lie hidden inside the cave? Join me next time as we step into the unknown and uncover more mysteries.
But wait, here's a bonus challenge. What will the 10th step in our discussed pattern look like? Think about it and share your answer in the comments below. Thanks for exploring patterns with me today. Remember, math is everywhere, and solving puzzles like this sharpens your mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures.